Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Cold Extract Coffee Maker Project 6. Yeah. Can you believe it? It actually got to 6. I thought it was going to go 2. So, in case you haven't watched them, here's to bring you up to speed. I like cold extract coffee. I don't want to make a tall glass column, have like a 45-minute drip time. I'm having an enclosed vessel. I put my water and my coffee in. Well, let sit a couple of days in the fridge. Might even freeze it. Anyway, the convection in the fridge, the door opening and closing, the light coming on and off, and the jostling, that'll get... Okay. Take off the regular cap. I put on the aperture cap. It's two-sided. I found out 50 micron aperture is way too small. Water do not drip through it. 13 thousandth of an inch aperture, too small. 16 thousandths, right? Must have had like all of 6 drips overnight. A little too long. So next one, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna drill it 20 damn thousandths of an inch. Give that a try. Anyway, I'm gonna attach a picture and a 20-second vid showing you the drip.